In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up event reminders via email in Google Calendar. Imagine this as your personal assistant giving you a little nudge at the perfect time so you never miss what's important. Let's dive into the process and make sure you leave with a clear understanding of how this is done. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Calendar. If you're already familiar with the platform's interface, this will feel like home ground. Go ahead and locate an existing event on your calendar. If there's no event to work with just yet, simply click on the plus create option to make a new event. This is where our journey begins. Once you've selected an event, you'll find yourself in the event details panel where all the magic happens. Look closely for the notifications section. Here's where you get to customize how you're reminded about your events. You'll see an option to add notification. Click on it and see a drop-down menu appear. Normally, it might be set to notification as the default, but we're looking to change this. So click on it and select email from the options. This change means you'll be receiving your reminder directly in your inbox. Now let's talk timing. You have the flexibility here to decide how soon before the event you wish to get your reminder. This could be 10 minutes, 1 day, or even a week before the event, whatever suits your needs best. Do you need more than one reminder? No problem at all. Feel free to add multiple reminders. For instance, you might choose to get an email 1 day before the event and another reminder just an hour before it starts. It's about setting it up in a way that works for you. After you've set your reminders, it's important to remember to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it. This ensures that all your carefully set preferences are noted and ready to go. With these steps completed, you can expect to receive an email reminder at your chosen time before the event. This serves as a handy, timely prompt helping you manage your schedule more effectively. And that's it, you've successfully set up email reminders in Google Calendar. This process is straightforward yet powerful, offering you the opportunity to stay on top of your commitments with minimal effort. Thanks for watching and keeping your life organized. Be sure to check back for more handy tech tips.